Hey, my brother. I'm at High Ibiza now. This is the number one club in the entire world. Um, and I just did a sound check, and I'm sounding really good, bro. And I just want to thank you so much for helping me recover my chops in a really record amount of time, bro. So 4 days ago, mate, I couldn't even play a G, and now I can comfortably play up to C above the staff. So I'm very, very thankful for you, bro. I'll let you know how it goes. And but yeah, I just want to say a massive, massive fucking thank you to you, bro. You've really fucking helped me, and you've really saved me, bro. So talk soon. Bro, I fucking smashed the gig, man. Um, Honestly, bro, thank you, like, to you, bro, because as you know, 4 or 5 days ago, I fucking could not get a G out in the stave, and if it wasn't for you, man, I wouldn't have been able to do that gig the way I did. So, fuck me today, bro. Thank you so much.